gangster, so that's why she pick a Ricch. Shawty call me Crisco, cause I pop my shit. Got it out the mud, there's nothing you can tell me. Yeah, when I had a job, South Street wealthy. Yeah, I had the coupe at the lot. Told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash app. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at.
Yo, what's good? Taiwan Williams here. I'm here to teach you my choreo to the box by Roddy Ricch. Let's go. So, you're gonna start forward with your right foot and slide up like you're driving a car. Slide. You're gonna pull this left leg. Step. Switch on the right foot to hit right, left, and then you're gonna point back on that right foot. Yeah, so let's take it back. 5, 6, 7, slide, right, pull the left step, right and left, right, left, right. Yeah, so from here, make sure when you push right, left, you point with those. These are freedoms. You get to point here, right, left, scoop is gonna be your first move. And you wanna scoop these twice. So, right, left, scoop, scoop. So, take it back. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and scoop, scoop. Now from here, you're gonna drop on this back foot, right, left, right, step here, and stop. So, after you get these 2 scoops, you wanna make sure, lean back, right, left, right. Now step together, right, shake the wrists, and close. Now, make sure on these wrists, you're just really twirling. It's kind of like you got like a spatula. You're just mixing it up. Yeah, so step, twirls, lock. Now when you get here, you're gonna lift it up. Flatten it out, turn front. So, take you back. We scooped here. Scoop, scoop, right, left, right, bob. Twirl it in, stop. From here, you're gonna go tick, tick, tick. Now, make sure, top, twirl it in, stop.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash app. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at. I was at back, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smart, gotta move hard. Nigga try to give me 5-mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my dog. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing, ain't ball. I done put my whole arm in the rim, bitch cock it. And I know Poppy get a key for the party. Shot it back in double six, I bought. Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash app. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at. I was at back, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5-mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my dog. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing, ain't ball. I done put my whole arm in the rim, this cocky, and I know.